Life's like a box of words, you never know what intriguing, haphazard, or mellifluous surprise you'll find next. Haphazard. Meaning, characterized by a lack of order or planning, random. Synonyms, random, disorganized, chaotic. Antonyms, systematic, orderly, organized. Example, Bob's haphazard attempt at assembling the furniture resulted in a chair with 3 legs and a missing screw, a true masterpiece of chaos. Ubiquitous. Meaning, present, appearing, or found everywhere. Synonyms, pervasive, universal. Omnipresent. Antonyms, rare, scarce, limited. Example, smartphones have become ubiquitous in today's society, accompanying people in every aspect of their lives, from work to leisure. Nurture. Meaning, to care for and encourage the growth or development of someone or something. Synonyms, foster, cultivate, support. Antonyms, neglect, hinder, abandon. Example, Mary believed that a positive environment at home would nurture her children's creativity and well-being. Mellifluous. Meaning, pleasingly smooth and musical to hear, sweet-sounding. Synonyms, harmonious, melodious. Tuneful. Antonyms, grating, harsh. Discordant. Example, the mellifluous voice of the singer had a calming effect on the anxious audience.
The mellifluous laughter of children is a universal language, as ubiquitous as the air we breathe, nurturing the haphazard world with their laughter and joy.
In the haphazard journey of life, our hearts are the nurturing soil, where mellifluous dreams grow and make joy ubiquitous.
Why did the perplexed crow bring a dictionary to the forest? Because it wanted to decipher the ubiquitous, mellifluous songs of the nightingale and join in the haphazard avian karaoke to nurture its voice. Why did the mathematician visit the haphazard bakery where the owner was known for his ubiquitous clumsiness and a mellifluous voice? Because he wanted to nurture his love for irrational. Pi-e. Story. Haphazard heist. In a little town, there was Thief Joe. He nurtured a dream to rob the bakery. He thought it would be a piece of cake. He arrived at night, but his approach was haphazard. Joe stumbled over a garbage can, creating a cacophony that the bakery's ubiquitous guard dog couldn't ignore. The dog's mellifluous barking woke everyone up. As Joe tried to flee, he stepped into a puddle of melted ice cream, slipping and landing face-first into a cake display. People burst into laughter at Joe's haphazard escape. This became a hilarious and unforgettable event. Story. A mother's nurture. In a quiet village, a mother named Sarah was known for her nurturing personality. Her son, John, had a haphazard approach to life, often struggling in school. Sarah's love and support were ubiquitous. She spent hours each day nurturing John's education, understanding that he learned at his own pace. Sarah was determined to nurture a love for learning. Her nurturing nature was mellifluous music to John's haphazardness. This atmosphere at home helped John flourish. His once perplexed mind became more focused. It was a testament of a mother's love and nurture.
Crafting English with laughs. Join the mellifluous parade. Thank you, dear viewers, for joining our wacky word adventures. Keep nurturing your language skills, it's the key to becoming the most mellifluous speaker in town. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more fun, and ring the notification bell. Let's make our videos as ubiquitous as laughter at a comedy show.